Students, today we are going to start a new chapter. Let's celebrate and have fun. The chapter name, Let's Celebrate and Have Fun. So in this chapter we are going to study about festivals. We know that different festivals like Onam, Bakrid, etc. So in this chapter we are going to study about that. Let's start. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Our chapter name, Let's Celebrate and Have Fun. In this chapter we are going to study about numerous festivals. Today we are going to study the festivals Diwali, Onam and Eid al-Fitr. Let's start. What is Diwali? It is a festival of lights. The people celebrating Diwali with lights. It is a popular festival in India. Diwali is a most popular festival in our country India. Children enjoy Diwali by lighting lamps and bursting crackers. Look at this picture. You can see the children celebrating the Diwali festival, lighting lamps and bursting crackers. Each country has different celebration and different festivals. We know that each country has different celebrations and different festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day are celebrating in our country India. The national festival are public festival. Our national festivals are public festivals. So, the all Indians are celebrating such festivals. All religions have their own celebrations. We know that we are celebrating, the Muslims are celebrating Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Fitr, and Hindus are celebrating Onam, Vishu, Christians celebrating Christmas. The celebration help us to cultivate mutual love and friendship. In each celebration, create and make a bond between peoples, love and friendship. Whatever the celebration, we should celebrate it together. We try to celebrate the celebration together without any religious concepts. Then next one, Onam, a national festival of Malayalis. The celebration related to harvest. In this celebration, the people prepares floral carpets on the foreground of the house. The people making Onapookalam in front of the house and wears new dresses, prepare feast with numerous items, prepare on a sadhya with numerous items like sambar, avial, thoran, kalan, etc. The belief is that the festival is to welcome Maveli. In Onam festival, we will welcome Maveli. And Onam is in the Malayalam month of Chingam. Onam celebrating in Malayalam month Chingam. This is about Onam. And next one, Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr comes at the end of the Ramadan fasting. After Ramadan fasting, the Eid al-Fitr comes, celebrated on the first day of the month of Shawwal. We celebrating the Eid al-Fitr on first day of month of Shawwal. Believers prepare feast with number of items. We will prepare different items in feast like biryani, nechor, etc. Provide food to the poor at their home. We will give food for poor. Visit the houses of relatives and friends and share the happiness. We will try to visit the relatives' houses. So today we studied about Diwali, Onam and Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Fitr. So all should try to study the poems, understand the poems. So in this part we discussed about 3 festivals like Diwali, Onam and Eid al-Fitr. So all should read the textbook very well. Thank you.